What'd you guys think? We're videoing down the stairs.
Hello, fellows and girls, monkeys and squirrels. Hurry, put it on video.
This just in, our bananas are breaking. We're bringing bananas on the road with us because usually we leave.
We'll continue in the car.
All right, guys. Oh yeah, we brought bananas today because
We always get really grumpy.
yeah, we get really grumpy because we leave between, you know, right now and like come back at like 4, and we usually eat from like 12 to 8. So if we don't eat, you know,
Before we go,
or no, if we don't bring food with us or eat, you know, around like 1 or 2, when we're out there around 4,
it's not fun anymore.
Yeah, we're real grumpy and snappy.
Fun.
So we brought some bananas today.
But one broke. Safety first, folks.
All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we got 2 things to talk about, 2 surprises. One of them is, well, it happened yesterday, but we didn't finish vlogging, so I'll tell you about it right now. I got my drone back today.
Oh
Yeah, Kaylee tried to tell you guys about it yesterday, but we didn't finish vlogging, so
I was like, surprise, what's the surprise?
Here's that video.
Kaylee Camp back at you. We just dropped off Holland, and now we're gonna go and pick up the drone. I am so excited. I got on some funny pants, a long hoodie, and Ugg boots. They didn't think it was appropriate for outside, but I do. Look who's joined.
Hello, what's going on?
We're vlogging about how we're gonna go pick up the drone.
Oh, nice. That's
And
what
how you guys didn't like my outfit.
It's actually what I was gonna do, but I was gonna do more of like a guess what, and then just fly it. But
Guess what?
this works too. Also, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna be talking about how you could have a chance to win the next giveaway that I'm having at 250 subscribers. All right, guys. So I know it seems like every time we do a vlog, we're shopping, but I mean, it's a global pandemic right now. It's the only thing to do is to go grocery shopping. So we're here at the Costco because it's time to stock up on the doo-doo paper.
I can't quit thinking about stocks.
She can't stop thinking about stocks. That's because we're trying to get rich, baby. All right, let's hit it.
What do you think about this mask?
Leave it in the comments. I tie-dyed, or I try to, here, hold this. I try to acid wash it, but I couldn't. It wasn't like the right kind. It wasn't cotton. It was like polyester, and it doesn't bleach as fast. And I didn't leave it that long, so I don't know. Check us out, guys. We're just balling out here in our nice Walmart coats, looking like G's. You like that stuff?
Yes.
What is it?
Ravioli?
What the hell? You're wondering why I'm in bed right now. It's because we're trying to record a TikTok. We just started a new TikTok account for Ouchie Mamas. We're gonna, oh, she's peeing. You can hear that probably. So we're trying to record a TikTok video because we just started a new Ouchie Mamas TikTok account that we're trying to make go, you know, big. And apparently like one of the secret sauces to doing that is just like being specific to your niche and stuff. So we restarted so that the algorithms and everything were reset, you know, or whatever. And now that's what we're doing right now. And Kaylee just can't keep it together. I'm trying to be serious here and just making me laugh. She almost peed herself. She had to go to the bathroom. Well, if I can get it,
Right.
if I can get it before this video, or if I can make the TikTok before I edit this video, then I'll put it in here. All right, so we just finished the room portion of the TikTok video. This is for the vlog.
Okay. That's what I was wondering.
A lot of videos going on right now, so we're getting confused. Ruthie, do you have anything to say?
Other than you're fat.
We're not bullying any
No.
biggies, just big cats.
He's a big boy.
He felt bullied. All right, so yeah, we just finished the room version vlog. We just finished the vlog.
Finished the room version.
We just finished the room version of the TikTok video, and now we're gonna go outside and just finish it. Where we just end the transition, we walking down the road or something with the bracelet on. Cool shot. So we'll see. how it went. It takes me like 10 minutes to edit these videos too, so I should be able to put that in this vlog.
I could have gone.
What's up, guys? We're on the way to South Mountain right now to fly the drone.
I could have turned like 3 times. There's someone behind me.
Oh, well, there's yellow, so
Nice.
yikes. See,
There's so much traffic.
Yeah, she should have turned a long time ago, folks.
Now that person didn't get to turn, they're probably upset.
Oh well. Anyways, yeah, we're hold on. We're trying to head to a cool place, and no, we still haven't washed our windows. We're trying to head to a cool place to fly the drone to see. Well, I probably should have test flown it in like a, you know, in the grass or something first, but that's okay. We're headed to South Mountain. Kaylee just said that she wants to live here.
Yeah.
On the mountain. So you heard that, guys. Now you guys got to get me up to 1 million subs. Oh yeah, look at that. The sunset's gonna be beautiful. That's another reason why I wanted to come here. There's also this cool trick that I saw. Check this out, guys. Dun, dun, run. You guys think that was cool or lame? Let me know in the comments.
Look at those houses.
It's gonna be loud if I roll the window down, so sorry guys, you're gonna have to stare through this beauty through dirty windows. Can you even see it?
No, it's so dirty.
Too dirty. What kind of photographer am I? I didn't even bring my camera. I just brought my drone. Just because I've been vlogging on my phone lately, so I didn't bring my actual camera. But I should have brought it to the 50 mil here on top of the mountain. Would have been clutch. So much beauty around us right now. I'm excited. We just went over a speed bump. Could you tell? Was it like, or was it pretty smooth? Oh, we just did it again. That one was probably not very smooth. Alright, so we just flew a little bit. I'll show some of that here. I thought that it wasn't going to go into my video editor thing, but as I'm driving right now, I just threw it right in there right now. And it does, in fact, go into the video editor. So there'll be some drone footage now in here from today. So now we're driving up the mountain because we can record it straight to my phone.
There's a motorcycle behind us.
Are you nervous?
And I'm very nervous, and I'm going slow, and they're probably mad.
Well, they can go around if they wanted to. I know that for sure.
Because we're going up.
Yeah, we're going up. We're going up slow. I mean, kind of fast, it seems like, but I'm not driving it up. Oh man, look at this view, guys. That's right. I was going to show you the view right now, but I just realized it only gets better. So maybe get a little sneak peek of that view. Oh, that's enough. Till we get to the top. Oh, my drone's falling. Look at this guy. He's back. He's alive. I think I'm going to name him Hector.
Larry.
Hector the drone.
Larry the bird.
Okay, we'll call him Larry the bird then. That's it, it's official. Larry the bird.
Great.
Alright guys, I think
That's where we're going.
that's where we're going, up there. It's not much further away. What do you think of my winter fashion? I invented this. It's leggings underneath ripped jeans. For men's. I'm something of a fashionista.
Fashionista.
Something of a fashionista or something, you know. I'm it. We made it, guys. Look at that. Look at that view. Alright, so it wasn't as cool as I thought. I mean, no, it was really cool out there. I meant the video, and it was really loud, so I felt kind of bad for all the other people trying to be peaceful out here. So I mean, I think it flew okay. It seemed cool. Kind of lost service one time, which scared me a little bit because I feel like I'm new to it again. But quickly got back to service around like 10 feet, and it got back. This thought it was a little bit loud. I think it sounds weird when it's coming down, but we are like higher elevation right now, I think. So I don't know. I'll try to fly it again tomorrow at home. But if you're still around to whatever time it is right now in the video, you will now know what this other surprise was. Surprise number 2, which is that which I hopefully I didn't talk about this already. If I did, I'm gonna cut it out, so there's gonna be a random cut in the video. I'm probably gonna be at like 250 subscribers in the next few weeks, maybe, hopefully. So you know, be on the lookout for that, and you know, I'm gonna pick it through my comments this time again, but this time I'm letting you know instead of just letting you know that being subscribed, until I can figure out how to get into my subscribers and figure out how to just pick a random subscriber. This is how we're gonna do it. So make sure to engage on every video, because you never know.
Someone's coming, guys.
You never know when I'm gonna just pick somebody, you know. But I will say that I'm gonna pick every.
Is it gonna be on this video that they comment on, or the video to watch for? You don't know? We
don't know. Maybe so I mean, it could be this one, could be any video. So I'm just saying, just comment on all the videos and like all the videos, or dislike them. If you dislike them, you know, hit that dislike button twice. So you know, make sure you can really dislike my video if you dislike it,
and let us know why.
Yeah, and let us know why. But also, yeah. So we're gonna get out of here, because I think people think that she's gonna back out, so they wait for her, and then we don't. Yeah. So
I have my foot on the brakes too, so it looks like I'm backing up.
All right, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Looks like we did leave just a little bit too early, but it's okay, because it's gonna be, look at that golden haze. It's golden hour right now, baby.
It's 5:40, so take note.
Screenshot me and edit me. Oh yeah, this is the end of the vlog. We left too early, kind of sad, but we're gonna come back at a better time tomorrow. But we also didn't want to drive down this thing. Look at there's people in the middle of the road right here, just hanging out. So peace out. Alright guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about.
We always see crazy things.
We always see the craziest stuff. Sorry if there's some wind, but you gotta see this through a clean window. We were seeing cops earlier. Wow, what a beautiful view. I mean, a beautiful sunset, like I said. We were seeing cops earlier down the street. I think I'm hearing a helicopter come now. Just kidding, it's a motorcycle behind us again. He's probably like, saw our license plate, he's like, oh my goodness, because our license plate is very recognizable. But yeah, there's all these, like, it looks like ambulances, and we're pretty high up still. But I tried to end the vlog. This is the second time I'm unending the vlog again.
There's a whole bunch of cops, and we were like, ooh, look at all those cops out there, and they were like kind of far away from each other. And we're like, well, if they all end up in the same spot, you know there's something going on.
They ended up here.
They're here.
They're coming up the mountain, it looks like. And I was flying, and the first spot I flew in was a no drone zone.
It's not for you.
I'm hoping that it's not because of me. Wow, I know what I'm titling this video now. We flew into the drone, We flew in the no zone, blown. No, I don't know, just kidding, I don't know. But as soon as I saw the sign, because I didn't know the sign was there, I flew away. I mean, we drove away because you can't fly there. And she was all like, why? And I was like, because you can't fly there. Alright guys, if we get close to the action, like something cool, we'll unend the vlog again. But if not, this is the real